Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I have some videos pulling an engine out of my friend's Terminator, and so I'll put that in the video description. And the cam covers, which I still have, have just been in a box. The car only had 50,000 miles on it, and they were pretty grungy looking, but the powder coating underneath it was actually still really good. So I took them out of the box and wanted to clean them up, so I got some purple power degreaser and a toothbrush and some other things. And so I was cleaning this up, and it was really cool to see Stephen Foe and Ronald Anderson were the two engine builders for this particular engine. Unfortunately, the car leaned out from a bad alternator, and so it wasn't a power problem. It's really sad to see an engine fail from something so minor like that. But anyway, I went through and cleaned it up with some degreaser, and there are some rub marks on here, but a lot of them are just where you have the intake and everything going over or touching, and so once installed, they really wouldn't be that bad. But the powder coating was still in really good shape. As you may know, the 0304 Cobra's got powder coated cam covers. The Mach 1 had painted for 2003, painted black ones. In 04, they were just rough aluminum ones that were not powder coated like the Terminator. And this one has the build date of 11/09/2002. So as far as the head tick issues that were going out, there was a recall, and those affected engines were built before 11/1/2002. So this car would have been exempt for the recall, and so if you would have got the tick or anything like that, you probably would have been on your own, but maybe Ford would have covered it. But anyway, yeah, these ones were 11/9/2002 is the build date, and so they were the 4-thread heads that he had here, but anyway, he didn't have any problems with them. But it was cool to see all of these factory markings and everything like that. So anyway, just wanted to share these cool pieces of history with you, and they might just look like regular cam covers to somebody else, but these are 0304 Cobra specific and powder coated. So anyway, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and check the video description for more videos. Thanks, guys.